Hey everyone, it's your tech buddy Mark here, and today we're diving into the world of affordable 4K TVs with the Samsung 43-inch class DU7200 Series Crystal UHD 4K Smart Tizen TV. Now that's quite a name, so let's just call it the DU7200 for short. This 2024 model is priced at a friendly $229.99, making it a great pick for anyone on a budget looking to upgrade their home entertainment setup. But is it any good? Stick around as we break down everything you need to know about the Samsung DU7200. Before we dive into the details, let's chat about Samsung for a moment. They're a big name in the tech world, always pushing the limits and delivering great quality. In 2024, they're still going strong, always innovating and improving their products. The DU7200 might be their budget option, but it still benefits from Samsung's years of experience and dedication to providing a great viewing experience. Alright, let's dive into the fun stuff. But don't worry, we won't get too techy. The DU7200 comes with a fantastic 43-inch screen and 4K resolution, which means you're getting 4 times the detail of a regular Full HD TV. This means sharper images, richer colors, and an overall more immersive viewing experience. It also features Samsung's Crystal display technology, which makes colors pop and enhances contrast for a more lifelike picture. But wait, there's more. The DU7200 runs on Samsung's Smart Tizen OS, giving you access to tons of streaming apps like Netflix, Amazon Prime Video, Disney Plus, and more. You can even talk to your TV using the built-in voice assistant. Now let's chat about what makes this TV awesome. First up, the price. At just $229.99, the DU7200 is a steal. You're getting a 4K TV with smart features without emptying your wallet. Second, the picture quality is surprisingly great for a budget model. The 4K resolution and crystal display tech deliver sharp, vibrant images that will wow you. Finally, the Smart Tizen OS is super easy to use, giving you quick access to all your favorite streaming services. While the DU7200 has a lot to offer, it's not without its quirks. One thing to keep in mind is that the sound quality is decent, but honestly not amazing. You might want to think about getting a soundbar if you're after a more immersive audio experience. Secondly, while the DU7200 supports HDR, it doesn't have local dimming, so the HDR performance isn't quite as good as what you'd get from some higher-end models. And lastly, the TV only has 2 HDMI ports, which might be a bit of a squeeze for folks with multiple devices like gaming consoles, cable boxes, and Blu-ray players. So, what are folks saying about the DU7200? Well, it's currently rocking a solid 4.6 out of 5 stars on Amazon, based on 566 reviews. People really love its sharp picture quality, easy-to-use interface, and wallet-friendly price. However, some have mentioned the so-so sound quality and limited HDR performance as downsides. Overall, the general feeling is that the DU7200 is a fantastic bang-for-your-buck option for budget-conscious folks who prioritize picture quality and smart features. So, who would love this TV? If you're after a budget-friendly 4K TV with smart features and you're not too fussy about sound quality or HDR performance, the DU7200 is a great pick. It's also perfect for smaller rooms where a 43-inch screen fits just right. But, if you're a passionate gamer or movie lover who wants the best picture and sound quality, you might want to think about spending a bit more on a higher-end model. Some great alternatives to check out include the TCL 43S535, which offers similar features at a slightly lower price, or the Hisense 43H8G, which has better HDR performance and sound quality for a bit more money. So, should you get the Samsung 43-inch DU7200? Well, it's a fantastic, budget-friendly 4K TV that gives you a lot of value for your money. The picture quality is impressive, and the smart TV features are super easy to use. Plus, it comes at a price that won't break the bank. It might not be the top pick for hardcore gamers or movie buffs, but for casual viewers and those on a budget, the DU7200 is definitely worth a look.